Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the nouns aptitude, flair, and prowess. The definition is an ability to do something good, well, because you have skills and perhaps you can say a knack for it. Well, let's delve into them. Aptitude. Aptitude is an innate ability to do something good. For example, an aptitude for learning languages, an aptitude for programming, an aptitude to be proficient in math, etc. Flair. Flair is just like aptitude, but it is more about creativity. And you can also say arts, design. For example, a flair for painting, a flair for singing, a flair for designing, and so on. Well, prowess. Prowess is not an innate ability. It is more about the developed ability to do something good and well. For instance, like you can say astronauts docking in space, or maybe soldiers disarming explosives. Yes, it is about their prowess. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.